Hey there, guys. Today we're diving into a game-changing skill that's not just about making money, it's about making your dreams come true. We're talking about the power of writing. Yeah, you heard me. Writing. The key to unlocking a world of opportunity. So grab a seat and let's get started on this exciting journey. You know how we sometimes feel stuck, like we're running in circles. Well, let me tell you, there's a way out, and it's writing. Whether it's a tweet, a blog post, or just an email. Writing is your secret weapon to standing out and to being heard. Remember those days when we were scribbling in a notebook? Turns out that was training for something big. Let me share my story. I used to be just like many of you, trying to find my path, juggling jobs and ideas and dreams. But then I discovered the power of being able to write down and flush out my ideas and visions, and it changed my life. First things first, let's talk about starting your own writing. Think about what you love, what problems you faced, and how you overcame them. That's your path for content. Write about it like you're telling a story to a friend. Simple, honest, and straight from the heart. Now, it's all about creating content that speaks to people. You want to write stuff that makes people say, yeah, I got that. I understand it. I feel it. Break down big ideas into easy pieces, like you're explaining to a child. Keep it real, but keep it relatable. And this part here is crucial. You got to grab attention like you're waving a giant flag. Start your writing with something punchy, a question, a surprising fact, or a bold statement. Make them want to hear more. Your words are ready. Now, where do you share it? Social media, blog, email. These are your statements. Each platform is different. So tweak your words to fit each platform. It's like changing your outfit for different occasions. You want to make sure that you look just right. And last but not least, let's talk about making your writing bring in the money. It's not just about selling stuff. It's about selling ideas, dreams, and possibilities. Show your readers what's in it for them, and they'll keep coming back for more. So, all right, here's your game plan. First up, brainstorm. Spend 10 minutes every day jotting down your thoughts and ideas, anything and everything. Two, practice. Write a little every day. It could be a social media post, a journal entry, or a letter to a friend. Three, read and research. Check out what others are writing. Learn from them, but add your unique twist. Four, engage with your audience. Ask questions, respond to comments, and get to know what your readers want. And five, keep it real, man. Always stay true to yourself. Your authenticity is your special magic. So there you have it, your roadmap to planning and turning your words into wisdom, and that wisdom into wealth. Writing isn't just about grammar and big words. It's about sharing your story, your vision, and connecting with people on a level that's real and raw. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step. Pick up a pen, type out those words, and let the magic happen. You got this, and I'm right here cheering for you. Until next time, keep writing, keep dreaming, and keep, man, have a great day.